Hi, I'm Sharon Bulova, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors. And it is my privilege to bring greetings to Bakersfield, California, and to Fairfax County School District, our alternate in California. Especially, I would like to congratulate and bring greetings to Superintendent Michael Coleman and Board of Trustees President Javier Moreno. Standing with me is our leadership team, our senior leadership team for Fairfax County. And so to my left is our county executive, Ed Long. And we have with us Beth Tier, our county attorney, and Tony Castrilli is our public information officer. I have a proclamation that I am very, very pleased to read, and it gives a little bit of history involving our two jurisdictions. Whereas Thomas Fairfax, the 6th Lord Fairfax of Cameron, presided over a Virginia land grant dated from 1649, with various parcels and places named for him, most notably Fairfax County, Virginia. Whereas there is another place in America bearing place names associated with Fairfax, in particular, the Fairfax School District in Bakersfield, California. Whereas the Fairfax School District in Bakersfield was founded in 1891 after a Fairfax businessman named Henry W. Klipstein left his home in Virginia seeking a warmer, drier climate, and in 1889, joined by some of his Virginia neighbors, established a small community in California known as the Virginia Colony. Whereas although the Virginia Colony has essentially disappeared, most of the names of streets of the original, where the original settlers lived, such as Fairfax Road, Virginia Avenue, and Quantico Street, the Fairfax School District has grown and flourished, and today provides a safe, welcoming environment where students are encouraged to be curious and eager for knowledge. And whereas the Fairfax School District will celebrate its 125th anniversary on September the 10th, now therefore be it resolved that the Fairfax County, Virginia Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all residents of Fairfax County, does hereby proclaim Saturday, September the 10th, 2016, as Fairfax School District Day in Fairfax County, and congratulate its students, teachers, parents, and administrators for 125 years of dedicated service in the community. Congratulations.